Whoa! In this episode, we're training legs. Got my coffee, good to go. First exercise, dumbbell squats. You're gonna notice in this clip, I was not warmed up. I just wanted to jump into it. I don't have a lot of time. So I look a little stiff. I'm not able to get the depth I want. But I'm going down, popping back up, trying to squeeze at the top as much as I can. Keep as best a form as I can on the first set. Not always perfect. Next exercise, single leg deads. I chose to just use one leg here instead of alternating. Sometimes I'll alternate. In this particular clip, I just decided to do one leg. Trying to go down, feel the contraction at the top. But like when I go down the bottom, I try to just let it sort of stretch my leg out. I think it feels great. We're done with that one. Ooh, regular deadlifts. So very similar. I only have 60 pounds here. That's all I have is two 30-pound dumbbells. So that's the heaviest I'm going at home. Just trying to keep my back not so straight. There's a little bit of arch. It's sort of hard to tell in this angle. Just like regular or just like single leg deads, go down and feel the stretch at the bottom, come back up. By the way, all of this is sped up 2 times, so it's actually slower in real life. I'm not as explosive. These are called reverse lunges. So you can do a regular lunge, which is lunging forward, but I personally feel that it hurts my knee. It doesn't hurt if I do a walking lunge, but I don't have the space really in the house to do a walking lunge properly. So I do reverse lunges. I feel like you can get a good deep stretch when you step back, and because everything's sped up, I am stretching it out a bit more. It doesn't look like it here, but I am. But I find those work extremely well for lunges if I'm doing any type of lunge at home. So probably give those a shot at some point. Sissy squats. These are I guess you could say they're an old school exercise. I should probably have my knees closer and forming more of a V shape with my feet, but this is the exercise style I was going for the day. Those are great. You feel the heck out of those. I finished it with what I call a single leg curl. I don't know if there's a real name or if these are like a real exercise, but that's what I do for hamstrings. I can really feel it when you come up at the very top, contract. You're going to feel your hamstring. It's going to be pretty tight. Give those exercises a shot. They're worth it. I'm bringing the camera down. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to drink more coffee because that's what I do every morning. I actually filmed this part you're watching right now is a week after last week. So I didn't have time to edit it, but the same principles still apply every week. Do the best that you can with at-home workouts. It's not the same. I feel I haven't used a barbell to squat in 2 months now, probably because of quarantine. Do your best. It's going to feel different. It still works. I mean, I'm still maintaining muscle mass, which is great, but it's going to be a little different. So focus on maybe more reps if you need. Lighter weight, obviously, because most people don't have a barbell at home or a ton of weight to throw around. I certainly don't. Like I said, you can still maintain though, and or build depending on how you're doing it. Give those a shot. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments below. If you don't like it, that's also cool. You can let me know. It's just what I do at home with what I have. Enjoy. I'm gonna finish this coffee and actually go work legs again. Cheers.